Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this one, we are talking about how to generate images with ChatGPT Plus, a DALL-E integration. Okay, so just go ahead and open up a fresh ChatGPT Plus session and then ensure that you are running the modern master engine. Then guys, do not type short descriptions like a cool sports car. You must start your prompt by explicitly dictating the output frame size, either 2/AR and then 16:9. So for example, like this. //AR and then 16:9. Don't forget about the space too. Or for widescreen, it's going to be AR 9:16. It's going to be for mobile shorts. And then just inject specific cinematic tokens like something like this to violently strip away the glossy artificial rendering layer. And then you can just click directly on your generated image asset to expand it into full screen review mode. Locate and click the select icon in the upper toolbar array. Then highlight the exact physical region you want to alter, like swapping out a modern wristwatch for a vintage leather strap. So in here in the image, select, then you can just select what you want to do. And then of course, to describe edits, you choose this toolbar here or search bar in the bottom. And that is it. This is how you create and adjust your images, guys. If this video helped you out, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.